If you want to edit and add a requirement on a module in Canvas, choose the module that you want to add something to. I'm going to choose this one right here. You're going to click on these three snowman dots right here. You're going to choose Edit, and then you're going to choose Add Requirement. So students have to complete these requirements. Like, you can check that they need to move through in sequential order, or you can just add the requirement. So like, I'm going to have them they have to read the text and audiobook, and they can either view the item, mark as done, or contribute to the page. I will say mark as done is throwing kids a little bit just because they're not used to it. If it's something like a quiz, like a check for understanding, I can have them view the item, but if I want them to take it, they can submit the assignment, or I can even set it at score at least a certain grade. So depending on whether it's a page or an assignment or a quiz or a discussion question, there are different options on this drop-down menu for each one. I will tell you that you also, if you have more than one thing on the module that you want them to have to do something specific on, you have to add a requirement every time. So this time I want them, so on the check for understanding, I need them to score at least 80. On chapter 9, I just need them to view the item, or mark as done, or contribute to the page. So that's the easiest way to make those requirements in Canvas, and I hope that helps.